How to restrict someone on Facebook. Hey everyone, want to hide your Facebook post from someone without blocking or unfriending them? In this quick video, I will show you how to restrict someone on Facebook in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook app and log into your account. Now look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a friend option. Tap on it. Now tap on your friends to see your friend list. Scroll or search for the friend you want to restrict. Then tap on their profile to open it. On their profile, tap the friends button right below their name. A menu will pop up. Here tap on see more option and select edit friend list. Now scroll down and tap on restrict. After selecting restrict, tap down at the top right corner. That's it. Now this person will only see your public post and anything you specifically share with them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.